Top 5 Best Camera for Plane Spotting. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Waterproof action camera with 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video. 27 megapixels photos. 1/1.9 image sensor. Live streaming. Webcam. Stabilization in just $434.99. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the ultimate action camera to capture all the details of your most exhilarating moments. Its revolutionary new image sensor delivers 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and 27 megapixels photos with superior resolution and clarity. Enjoy stabilization with Emmy Award-winning Hyper Smooth 5.0 and GoPro's unrivaled image quality. Comes with an Enduro battery, carrying case, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, thumb screw, and USB-C cable for just $434.99. Get out there and create your unforgettable memories with this all-in-one action camera. "12 by 42 HD binoculars for adults with upgraded phone adapter, tripod and tripod adapter. Large view binoculars with clear low-light vision. Waterproof binoculars for birdwatching hunting travel in just $47.88. This 12 by 42 HD binoculars for adults comes with a powerful 12 by 42 magnification and an upgraded phone adapter, tripod and tripod adapter. It delivers a clear low-light vision and a 367 feet, 1,000 yards large field of view, making it perfect for birdwatching and hunting. With 18.5mm large eyepiece, it offers 1.28 times more image size than 12 by 25 binoculars, ensuring crystal clear details and a brighter view. It also features an upgraded universal phone adapter designed for all kinds of smartphones, enabling you to take pictures without shaking. The tripod is 360 degrees rotatable and comes with thicker and sturdy tripod legs for stability. This amazing product is priced at just $47.88. HUI-COCY Spotting Scopes. 20-60 by 60 mm zoom, 39 to 19 meters, 1000 meters with FMC lens. BAK 445 degree angled eyepiece. Fog-proof spotting scope with tripod, phone adapter. Carry bag for birding watching in just $59.99. This HUI-COCY spotting scope has an incredible 20x60x magnification and high-definition optics for an exceptional outdoor experience. It offers a wide field of view with its multi-coated 60mm objective lens and a bright and crisp image thanks to its BAK4 high transmission prism. The accessory package comes complete with a tripod, cell phone adapter, cleansing cloth, carrying, storage bag, eyepiece and objective lens protective cover. Its anti-skid rubber armor structure offers an effective non-slip grip and a retractable sun visor built into the main lens barrel to reduce glare. Best of all, it's available now for just $59.99. Goski updated 20-60 by 80 spotting scopes with tripod, carrying bag and quick phone holder. BAK4 high-definition waterproof spotter scope for birdwatching wildlife scenery, one in just $176.99. This Goski updated 20-60 by 80 spotting scopes offers variable 20x to 60x magnification and dynamic lens focusing system, making it perfect for birdwatching, wildlife watching, archery, hiking, camping and more. Its quality BAK4 Poro Prism optics increases light transmission to deliver a brighter, clearer and crisp image. It is also nitrogen-filled, waterproof and fog-proof to withstand all kinds of harsh environments. You can also take photos and videos of what you have seen with its smartphone digiscoping adapter. The package also comes with a full metal tripod, tripod mount, carry case, eyepiece and lens protection covers and cleaning cloth for more convenience. All these features are offered for only $176.99. UB-size 67 inches camera tripod with travel bag. Cell phone tripod with wireless remote and phone holder. Compatible with all cameras, cell phones, projector, webcam. Spotting scopes in just $36.99. UB-size 67 inches camera tripod with travel bag makes it easy to take stunning photos and videos. Offering impressive height ranges, the tripod collapses to tabletop height 20.1 inches and expands to 67.3 inches in seconds, while featuring multiple shooting angles. It comes with a 360 degrees rotating phone holder and a wireless remote, plus it's compatible with all cameras, cell phones, projector, webcam, spotting scopes. This unique premium design combines high-quality materials, technological expertise and innovative Italian design, making it perfect for all your needs. Get yours for only $36.99 and achieve professional-looking shots with ease.